2012 Kia Optima. Evap code P0442, small leak. I did a smoke test on this car. It didn't show much, so I'm assuming they always leave this gas cap loose most of the time. In the meantime, this car has, like, I see a lot of rust on it, and I've seen it was kind of a little abused underneath. So just to make my life easier, I'm gonna change all these three components, which is the valve, the Purge control valve. The one goes by the engine. I'm just gonna show you where this is located on the car later. And the valve, the canister solenoid, the vent solenoid for the canister. Let me see what it is. I think I have it somewhere here. Here's the new one. To remove this is very tricky. I'm gonna show you the right way to remove this, or how I remove it. This one is right here, this one. So notice there is a lock right here. You have to push this one backward, this way. And also there is a little notch here. This is lined up with another plastic piece that holds it down from moving around. So let's get to the car and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so notice a few things here. The solenoid is right here. I already removed the wire, and I already took that upper hose, the vent hose on the top off. There are two bolts right here holding the canister up. One here and one on the other side, and here in the front of it, right here. The only reason I'm moving these down or taking them off, I wanna bring the canister down a little bit for one reason. Because this solenoid, the way it comes off, you have to twist it from the top toward the front of the car. This has to go like this, toward the front of the car. And notice here, there is a mark right here. I already put mark on it. You could see it right here. They have this for a reason. They should have put another one here. I make my own. So you could see I mark it. I put some mark here. So this one here, you have to twist the solenoid until this one here, this middle here, line up with that mark. And then you pull it out. That's the only way it comes out. Okay, I'm gonna show you this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the two screws. Okay, the canister came down just enough for me to remove this. There is a lock right here. You have to push it backward. Before you do this, lift that little plastic part here out of the way a little bit, and then hold this like this and twist it. See that? So when you twist it, you need to line up this, the mark I just made here. Let me make it clear. There's a mark I made right here in the middle, and there's a mark right here. Okay. So this, it's very tight, the spot. I'm trying to do it in a way so everything's showing. So here, bring this one down. See this? This is now in line with this. This is when you pull this out. Okay, here it is. Got this off. Let me get the new one. Just make sure you lubricate the O-ring a little bit. Okay, notice here, if you notice this here, this little mark right here, or this little hook here, or whatever you want to call it, there are four of them. There is one here, 2, 3. Those all wide. This little one, the tiny one, this is what the one is gonna line up, and you could see it is lining up this way. This is gonna line up with the line on the top here before you put it in. So let's put this one in. Okay. This is going like this. So you can see this little one goes here. All right, so it's all the way in, and it twisted. It's all in. That's all it takes to do it. Okay. So this is, now it's all the way in. Okay, as you can see right now, it's already in straight. So you're gonna put the wire back and you put the hose back, and this is done for this. I'm gonna show you the purge solenoid. So this is the vent solenoid for the canister vent solenoid valve. Okay, this is the purge solenoid now. It's right here. Here is the engine. It's all the way in the back here. It's right here, which is this part right here. Okay, this one. All right, it's not that complicated to remove it. You could figure it out. It slides in. It has a little hook on the top. You have to push it and you just slide it in. I remove the two hoses. This hose and this hose, the vacuum and the one going to the canister. Okay, so that's the purge solenoid. And I'm sure you know where the gas cap is. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.